How do you say I love you? You say je t'aime. It's pretty simple, it's a classic, but it's important that you pronounce it well. Je t'aime, not je t'aime, je t'aime. Je t'aime. Ladies, how do you say he's a jackass? You say c'est un bouffon. C'est un bouffon. C'est un bouffon. Or you can use the word bolos. C'est un bolos. How do you say he is very attractive? He is very attractive. You say il est très attirant. Il est très attirant. Très attirant. Il est très attirant. Il est très attirant. How do you say she broke up with me? She broke up with me. You say elle a rompu avec moi. Elle a rompu avec moi. She broke up, rompu, avec moi. Here's another way of saying she broke up. You say elle a cassé. You know, casser means to break, so it really makes sense. To break up, casser. Elle a cassé, she broke up. Elle a cassé. How do you say he cheated on me? He cheated on me. You say il m'a trompé. Basically, il a trompé moi, so il m'a trompé. Il m'a trompé. Trompé. How do you say what a coward? What a coward. You say quel lâche. Quel lâche. What a in French is quel. So what a coward, quel lâche. Quel. How do you say I'm engaged? I'm engaged. You say je suis fiancé. Je suis fiancé. Same goes for guys and girls. Je suis fiancé. Je suis fiancé. Je suis. How do you say to have feelings? To have feelings. You say avoir des sentiments. Avoir des sentiments. Avoir, to have, des sentiments. How do you say I think she likes me? I think she likes me. You say je crois qu'elle m'aime bien. Je crois, I think, qu'elle m'aime bien. Qu'elle m'aime, that she likes me. So when you say I like someone or someone likes me, the like part is aime bien, like good. So basically it would mean I think she likes me good, right? So je crois qu'elle m'aime bien. Because if you say je crois qu'elle m'aime without anything after, very likely it's going to mean I think she loves me. There's a difference. Same difference as she likes, she loves. In French we say elle m'aime bien. Je crois qu'elle m'aime bien.